Good morning, class 9th. Today we discuss about the graph. When we make graph, then horizontal line is called the x-axis and vertical line is called the y-axis. We always show time on x-axis and distance, displacement, velocity shown on the y-axis. Here we discuss mainly two types of graph: distance time graph, speed time graph. Speed means velocity. First, distance time graph, which we represent on y-axis distance and on x-axis distance. When slope of graph is straight, then it shows the uniform speed, and slope give about the speed. And when slope is curved, then it is give the non-uniform speed. Speed is equal to AB by OB. AB means distance, OB means time. So speed formula distance by time. Next, we saw about the speed time graph, velocity time graph. Speed, velocity on x-axis, time on the y-axis. Slope gives information about the speed, about the acceleration. When a parallel line pass, and it is parallel to the time, it is a constant speed. In this case, acceleration is 0. But when we make graph speed and time and it give the slope straight, it show the uniform acceleration. And when we make graph and speed time graph and its slope is curve, then it give the uniform acceleration. When we make graph of speed and time and it slow down, it move downward in a straight way, this is called uniform retardation. In graph first, speed is constant. In graph second, state so uniform acceleration. In graph third, slope is curve, so non-uniform acceleration. In graph 4, slope is straight downward, so retardation. A speed or velocity time graph slope give value of acceleration. In graph first, speed is constant, so acceleration is 0. Area gives distance. In graph second, OQ is equal to QR by OR. QR means velocity, OR means time. Distance is equal to area of triangle OQR, 1 by half QR into OR. Next, we discuss about the other type of graph in the second page. Now, by the help of graph, we can also prove the equation of motion. We know about the three equations of motion. First equation, v is equal to u plus at. Second, s is equal to ut plus half h square. Third, v square is equal to u square plus 2s. Generally, we discuss when speed is constant, but here I made a graph where speed is not 0, where initial speed is something u and final velocity is v. U means O is u and BC is v and OC is time. That means on y-axis we represent velocity and on x-axis we represent time. First equation, v is equal to u plus at. So initial velocity is equal to u is equal to OA. Final velocity v is equal to BC. BC is equal to BD plus DC. V is equal to BD plus OA. V is equal to BD. OA means OA. U. A is equal to A means uniform acceleration. AB is a slope of acceleration. So A is equal to BD by AD. BD BD A is equal to BD by AD. BD means V by minus U, or AD means OC by OC means T. A is equal to V minus U by T. After cross multiply, we multiply A to T, and V minus U is equal to AT. V is equal to U plus AT. Second formula, S is equal to UT plus half PT square. Distance बराबर area of closed figure OABC. Area of rectangle OABC made by two figure, rectangle plus triangle. Area of rectangle OADC plus area of triangle ABD. Rectangle area AO plus AO into OC plus area of triangle AD into BD. The AO means U, OC means T. UT plus half, AD means T, BD means AT. The UT plus half PT square, S बराबर UT plus half PT square. Third formula, V square is equal to U square plus 2S. Distance is equal to area of trapezium OABC. तो S is equal to AO, area of trapezium, sum of parallel side 1/2, sum of parallel side into height. तो AO plus BC by 2 into OC. AO means U, BC means B by 2, or OC means T. The U plus V by 2, T is equal to, from first equation of motion, T is equal to V minus U by A. The V plus U into V minus U by 2A. A plus B into minus B, A square minus B square means B square minus A square by 2A. S is equal to V square minus A square by 2A. After cross multiply, V square minus A square is equal to 2S. V square is equal to U square plus 2S. मतलब हमने ये तीन इक्वेशन को अलजेब्रिकली प्रूव किया और ग्राफिकली प्रूव किया. आपको दोनों मेथड से प्रूव करना आना चाहिए. थैंक यू.